Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to prepare mango pudding. This is a 3-layer pudding. Bottom layer is of mango pudding, second is milk pudding layer, and on top we'll pour some mango sauce. So let's look at the ingredients. 1.5 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin, 100 ml mango puree. Now you can either make mango puree at home or buy it from store. Actually it's pretty easy to make it at home. All you need is one large ripened mango and sugar. Peel mango and cut it into pieces. In a blender, add mango pieces and a tablespoon of sugar. Blend it into a fine paste like this. Do not add water while blending. Then we need 80 ml or 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of boiled room temperature milk, half cup boiled hot milk, 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of water. First let's prepare mango pudding. For that, in a bowl add 3/4 tablespoon of gelatin and 1/3 cup of hot milk. Mix till gelatin gets dissolved in milk. Then add a tablespoon of room temperature milk and mix. After that, add a tablespoon of sugar and mix till sugar gets dissolved in milk. Now allow this milk to cool down completely. Next, in a bowl add chilled heavy whipping cream and a tablespoon of sugar. Using an electric hand mixer, whip till it forms a stiff peak. Add 1/3 cup of mango puree. Give it a mix. After that, add our gelatin mixed milk into this. Combine this well. Take serving glasses. Pour 3/4 of the glasses with this mango pudding mixture. Tap it once. Now refrigerate it till it turns jelly. Next, let's prepare milk pudding. For that, in a bowl add 3/4 teaspoon of gelatin. Into that add 1/4 cup of boiled hot milk. Mix till gelatin gets dissolved. After that, add a tablespoon of room temperature milk. Give it a mix. Now, if you have condensed milk, then you may add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk or else add 2 tablespoons of sugar into it. Mix till sugar gets dissolved in milk. Our first layer has set well. For me, it took about an hour to set. Next, let's set our milk pudding layer. Pour milk pudding mixture on top of mango pudding layer. Now refrigerate it till it forms jelly. Next, let's prepare last layer of our pudding. That's mango sauce layer. For that, take 2 tablespoons of mango puree. Into that add 2 teaspoons of water. Then add a tablespoon of sugar and mix till sugar gets dissolved. So our mango sauce is ready. Let's check if second layer has set. You can see both layers has set well. Now pour a teaspoon of mango sauce on top of the second layer. Tilt and spread sauce evenly. Garnish it with few chopped mangoes. So, our 3-layered mango pudding is ready to serve. You can make small 5 glasses of pudding with the quantity I have mentioned. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Cooking Mojo.